Mila Mila Falls. You can hear the waterfall? You can hear the water?
I can.
You hear that or not? Alright, just follow me. Hey everyone! We are here Mila Mila Falls. Very beautiful, gorgeous waterfalls. A little bit cold for a swim? Next time.
Yeah, I think a lot too cold for a swim.
So pretty, beautiful. It would be more lovely if we have a little bit sunny day, a little bit crowded at the moment.
There she is. Going down to the waterfall. Gives you an idea of how big it is.
After Mila Mila Falls, we will going to Silly Falls.
Not silly falls.
Silly Falls.
Silly falls, that'll do.
Sorry if I pronounce wrong, it's just so hard in English. Yeah, hopefully from Mila Mila Falls, 8k, not too far. Let's go again! Here we are, Silly Falls.
Zilly Falls.
Silly Falls.
What's that sticker on there, Pommy? What's that sticker?
For my center. Here we are, Silly Falls. We are stand on the top now. Next waterfall, Alangina Falls. This one I pronounced right, yay!
And start the steps down. There goes Pommy.
Slowly.
Going down all the steps to Alangina Falls.
So really deep step here.
Yeah. And you just noticed looking at this tree. Look at that. Oh, there she is, I found her.
Oh wow!
What is it, darling?
Oh,
Oh, camera's going to struggle with this. Coming out of darkness into bright light with the camera.
beautiful! Wow! So beautiful! I'm glad I'm here. I'm
Worth
glad.
the walk down.
Yes, definitely.
So let's have a look, shall we?
Oh my god!
It's our third waterfall this morning. Oh, it's one of the prettiest. Worth the walk down. As I said, I was up there.
Alright, we move on for the next one.
I mean, the path's over here.
scary.
You're not going through the tree?
No.
Go through the come on.
Spider.
Ah, don't worry, big spider, get you out. Quick, can you fit?
I don't know.
And out the other side. Hee Old dead tree. Here we are off to see another waterfall. This one is Josephine Falls.
What's that?
Josephine.
Josephine Falls. It's quite a good walk path, isn't it? Oh, not yet. Not here yet. We're not there yet.
No.
Which way we go?
I don't know, I've looked at the sign.
Which way? That way? Oh, that way. So we will go here.
Yeah,
Bottom
and then
pool.
there's Middle Creek,
I have to come back this way.
and then all the
Come
way
back
up
here.
to the top of the platform.
Okay. Alright. Let's go. Alright, we go start from the top first, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, let's
Up the
go!
bloody hill again, always at the top, always uphill. Top viewing platform.
Oh, look! Oh, big rock.
Boulders.
Ooh, boulder! Oh!
And you can hear the water.
Wow! You can sit here. Oh! Step! Wow! Oh my god! Let me look out here. Oh my god, I have to go that way first. So beautiful! Wow! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! The color mushroom. Orange color.
I think you can eat those ones.
Ooh, rain is coming. If you guys enjoy my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.